What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we're only going to be using one account. Now, most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one because people who are just starting will only use one, meaning you guys, right? And I kind of want to show you the type of results you can get by just starting. You know what I mean? So you may get more than me, less than me, but overall, these are the type of results you should see. All right, guys. So anyway, if you're interested in following along, the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right. So first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this product, because it's a really good product in general. Like, it shows you how to build a funnel builder. It's a funnel builder essentially. And anybody that knows marketing knows you need a funnel builder to really build up and really just have something going there. But it's a funnel builder in general with no limitations towards it. There's a ton of other stuff you get with it as well. Training, ton of videos on how to do certain things, emails, all this stuff. It's just all got it for you, locked up, ready to go. You know what I mean? And you get all of this stuff. And you only pay $25 per month now. I just rechecked. I've been saying the wrong number for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the most popular funnel builder out right now, and it used to be $97 per month. Now it's $149 per month just starting to get in. That's how much you gotta pay just to start it, and it's still the most popular funnel builder out there right now. And what you essentially can do in this system for $25 a month, but it's $149 and it's a ton of limitations to it. So many limitations to it. All right, guys. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you got to pay the full $300 per month, which is crazy, so much money. All right, guys, don't do it. Don't do it. Do this instead. You want a funnel builder? Do this instead. Now, and the second reason why I personally like promoting this product, and I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested, because it has an 80% recurring commissions. That means that you get 80% of all the money you make them, which is insane because this is recurring. So every month you will make this 80% commission. That's crazy. That's so much money, guys. And you really don't only need a few customers to really build up an income like that. Once you get, let's say you get about 10 people paying the $120. That's $1,200, guys. That's just 10 people pay the $120. All right, it's so easy, guys. And I'm doing the bare minimum to promote this. Now you guys can do a ton of different stuff to promote this product, but I'm just doing the bare minimum. Now I want to show you the type of results I get. All right, so let's check out my results here. First off, before I refresh the page, because that's what we're gonna do, I want to tell you, if you see results, make sure the person refresh the page and show you real results. It's very easy to change all these numbers to whatever I want it to be, so make sure they refresh the page. Okay, guys? All right, so we're gonna refresh this now. Okay, it looks like we got 2 sales.
Nice.
All right, that's nice right there. One of them might be a resale or something like that. Rebuild from last month. Yeah, you'll know, guys. You'll know by the thumbnail if I got a sale or not. But I haven't checked yet. But anyway, guys, yeah, man. So it works, man. You just gotta keep at it. Keep at it. You'll make the money, guys. You'll start making money with it. Just gotta keep at it. Don't give up. Keep posting. All right, guys. That's it. Like last month, like I stated before, last month I made $680 off of this. So this month might be a little slower, or a little faster. I don't know. But this is all I'm doing to promote it, and I'm doing well, man. That's all I'm trying to say. All right, so let's go over here to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna click on that. Boom, boom. we're just gonna go to our next email here. We've been rotating these same emails for the longest, months, guys, and it's still working. We might add an email here and there, but we pretty much rotate about 15 emails, and it's still working. So you don't got to come up with a brand new email every single day, guys. You just copy the same email. So if you want to copy it, guys, you can copy it right here, and just copy like that. I'm gonna erase my face since I got a sale yesterday. After I did this, I'm gonna just get rid of my face and start posting just this. Now this is the link you want to use, guys. You want to use the all-in-one one. Excuse me. You want to use the all-in-one one because it promotes the $20 commissions and it promotes the $100 commissions, guys. That because some people ask me where I'm getting $100 from. It's from the same product. Just promotes right page right here. It promotes both. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that, guys. And then we just hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check emails, right? And make sure you preview, make sure your link works. I don't have to do that because I'm just rotating emails, so it's already been checked, and we just send an email. We're done. That's all it takes. It's so easy, and you guys can do this very easily. You can start a YouTube channel. I've seen some people starting YouTube channels, doing the exact same thing I'm doing, and they're starting to make money with it. So it's working, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. You're starting to make money. It's working. And this is bare minimum. Like, there's so much else you can do to promote this product. All right, guys. So anyway, that's all there is to it. Interested in following along? Links in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. See you guys next time. Peace.